So here we have the RSI indicator, which as we all know is one of the most famous indicators ever and is widely used among traders. However, what if I told you that there is a better version of this indicator that is almost 10 times more profitable than the RSI? So without any further late, let's dive in. Let's see what is that indicator and how it works. But before that, I hope all of you are familiar with the basic RSI concepts. And if you are not, then no worries. Let me explain in few simple sentences. So the RSI is calculated using a simple mathematical formula. It expresses the value between 0 and 100, with reading above 70 indicating overbought conditions and reading below 30 indicating oversold conditions. And it is mostly used for overbought, oversold and divergence signals. So now let's see our today's indicator. But before that, let me tell you one thing. The difference between these two indicators are huge. They might look same, but they work very different ways. Firstly, the RSI is based on the magnitude of price changes, comparing the average gains to the average losses over a specified number of periods. But this indicator do it differently, because this indicator is based on both price and volume data, taking into account both the size and direction of a price movement. In simple words, RSI shows value calculating only past price, while on other hand, our today's indicator calculates not only past price but also market volume. How great, right? So that means now with this indicator you can actually see what's happening in the market, like are bulls still interested or bears taking control, etc. So now, what is that indicator? So the indicator that I am talking about is called MFI, Money Flow Index. Just like RSI, you can use this indicator for two things: overbought and oversold and divergence. First, overbought and oversold signals. Reading above 80 indicate overbought conditions and reading below 20 indicate oversold conditions. Now let's see how it works. Second, divergence. If the market is making new highs but the indicator is failing to reach new highs, this may indicate a bearish divergence and a potential reversal. Similarly, if the market is making new lows but the indicator is failing to reach new lows, this may indicate a bullish divergence and a potential reversal. Here how it works. Works great, right? MFI is a great indicator, but don't just take trade based on this indicator alone. Use other indicators to avoid false signals.